Kung may kaso lang sa pagiging tuyot, matagal na siguro akong nakulong, my gosh. Guys, I just got home from a pickleball tournament. I am so tired. Like, I look so dry. One of my manifestations na sobrang tired ko na is when my skin gets really dry. It doesn't show here in the camera, but it shows in my lips. Sobrang dry ng lips ko, guys. So, given that my skin is really dry today, I need to repair my skin with a hydrating serum. And good thing, guys, I have this lifesaver. This is the Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultimate Resilience Serum. I use this if talagang SOS na talaga yung skin ko, guys, na sobrang dry niya na. I use this usually as a base because it really looks good underneath your makeup. This is 2 pumps and ito, wala pang serum. Look what kind of difference it makes. I know I have a huge pimple here, because I'm on my period. Look how plumpy my skin looks like. So that's it for today, guys. My gosh, sobrang complain ako sa sobrang dry ng skin ko. Ultimate lifesaver.